Hi viewers, good morning and welcome back to my channel Free Class for All. Okay guys, I decided one challenge which is 3 weeks challenge to crack any competitive exam because the syllabus of many competitive exams will be similar for aptitude section, reasoning section and general English section. So I decided to utilize this opportunity and I want to prepare these 3 weeks only 3 sections, which is competitive aptitude, general English as well as reasoning. These three sections which I will prepare in these 3 weeks, and it was the challenge I have been given for myself. And also please, you also keep challenges like that and you also comment in the comment section what you are preparing daily on basis, because today is the day 1 of my 3 weeks challenge and I have been prepared today of reasoning session of blood relations, and also attempted quiz after completion of my concept through YouTube videos. Definitely you can see with the further videos, you can see. Let's Okay guys, today the study blocks have been not shooted, just I have been shooted that I have completed my concept today. So I have completed my concept, I have given test. So after giving the test I have analyzed myself and I am showing the marks which I got from the test. So you can see that from tomorrow onwards which I am preparing, which topic I am preparing and which test I have been giving. All details I will give in the description box along with the video also. Now you can see the marks, how many marks I got, and also this is the first test I have been given after completing the concept. So you can also utilize and you can also see like that only, because today I have been prepared blood relationships concept, tomorrow one thing. Okay guys, let's see my video, and also if you like, please don't forget to like the like. Hi viewers, good evening and welcome back to my channel Free Classes for All. I already discussed with you I am doing, and I kept 3 weeks challenge for myself and also for you also. If anybody are preparing for the competitive examinations, keep challenges and try to achieve the challenges. So I have keep 3 weeks challenge. So from today onwards I have been started. So today I have learned one topic from reasoning, which is blood relationships, blood relations. And here you can see I have attempted quiz for blood relations because I have learnt all the concepts. So I have been took the pass of textbook pass I have been took 1 year ago, but really I am not utilizing well that, because I already took but I am not utilizing. So I decided that these 3 weeks challenge makes me to complete utilize of that pass, because it may be expired in 30 to 40 days. So I'll definitely going to utilize that pass fully. Here you can see out of 15 questions they have been given 15 minutes of time, but I really attempted only 11 questions because time was completed, because this is the first test I have been given. I thought before going to give this test, this is based upon SSC HSL, first I have been given the quiz of SBI clerk. I thought that it is more difficult, that I can't do, because by seeing that question I gets demotivated, because it was too lengthy. So I decided not to go for the highest questions. So I started from SSC CHSL, not from MTS also, because in MTS I saw that there is no chapter wise test for blood relations. So I decided to start from inter level based. So I have been started this, and here you can see I have only attempted 11 questions, because I really don't know. I thought that only 10 questions for 15 minutes. So I really don't know there will be 15 questions. So I thought that here you can see. So I thought this time was enough for me, I can complete. But after 2 minutes I thought that I have reached 11th question. For 30 seconds or before 1 minute I was in the 11th question. So it was like very nervous for me that there is no time, because there are 4 questions to attempt. So at the time I was nervous and I make a mistake. Here you can see one question I have been make a mistake, that the time was going on. So that is the main reason. Here you can see I have learnt all, and I have also prepared for the notes for blood relationships, because these notes will help me for the future. And these 3 weeks challenge daily I am going to attempt, and daily I am going to revise the blood relations, because today really I am saying today I understood that the practice makes a man perfect. Without practice we can't do anything. So by taking this test I understood myself. So not only the blood relations, so I targeted 2 to 3 concepts or 2 to 3 chapters in this reasoning syllogism. So I took these kind of chapters, but only I completed only one chapter, which is blood relation. And also I have given test. You can see accuracy is 90.1 and score is 19.5, 0.5 negative marks for one question. Here you can see that I have been that I have been attempted 11 questions overall. 1 question is negative and 10 questions was correct and 4 questions were not attempted, because I really don't know, I was not seeing the time. There is two main points in this: accuracy and also time management. These are the two things which we need to more focus in our mind. So I'm so happy because I learned and I also attempted. But what I need to see, I need to make speed, I need to calculate speed. It was not enough, so I understood this thing. So for this today I'll cut this chapter for now, and I'll start another chapter because it was the time of around 8:30. I'll start another chapter like syllogism. So I'll start solving the questions, because from today I'll complete 2 chapters. Tomorrow arithmetic. What I am doing is today I'll complete 2 chapters of reasoning. Tomorrow I'll revise and I will practice of reasoning these 2 topics along with arithmetic 2 topics. Means I want to start from time and work, because I was not more perfect in arithmetic. So I thought I want to complete at least 1 topic tomorrow, because arithmetic it will take a lot of time. So I decided just I want to complete at least 1 topic. Okay guys, this 3 weeks challenge, maybe by the end of the 3rd week, if I'll get satisfied, I'm so happy. Definitely daily I'm going to review and daily I'm going to show my marks for you all, which topic I have been learnt, and which here you can see blood relations, analysis, solutions and leaderboard. And really so many people are attempted 30 by 30, because they're also got by practice only. I really don't know. So this is only the starting step of myself. After the final step, definitely I'm going to get 30 marks, and not 30 marks also. The main thing is speed and time management. I'll definitely going to, by the end of the 3rd week, definitely these 2 I'll definitely going to manage. It is the only thing I want to learn, because for MTS examinations and for bank examinations, these are the 2 main things. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to comment in the comment section, because you need to start 3 weeks challenging from tomorrow or from today onwards itself. No problem, because daily try to learn one chapter and try to attempt the quiz like me, because today I learned blood relations and I attempted 1 test, chapter test in textbook pass, because I have took pass 1 year ago in textbook. Not 1 year ago, it took like 11 months. So 1 month there is a chance. So for me, I am utilizing these 3 weeks for that 1 month. I'll complete that. Okay, olive board test, these are also very good. So I started from the textbook, because there are a lot of tests are there I need to complete.